What's good, everyone? It's your girl Sky and I'm back with another video. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the one dip makeup challenge. Okay, so basically I'm going to be doing my makeup, but I only get one squirt or one dab, one little flick of the makeup brush to do my whole face. So let's get into it. Okay, so first I have to start with moisturizer, and so I'm gonna just one bang. Oh no. Oh no. If you like my outfit, I just posted a Walmart clothing haul, so you better go watch it. Yeah, that is not enough, but it's gonna have to do. Alright, so the next thing I'm gonna do is my eyebrows. I use the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. And this one's gonna be hard, but I'm just gonna be drawing one line across and hopefully it'll blend out somehow, okay? Oh, no, that doesn't count. Okay, and this side. Oh, alright. Now I'm just gonna blend it out with this spoolie. It looks like I didn't even do anything. Okay, so now the next step. There's a whole plane flying right now during my video. Messed up. Okay, next is concealer. I just finished my Shape Tape concealer, so now I tried the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer, matte finish. Period. Okay. This is actually pretty nice, but we can only use one dip. Alright, I know what I'm about to do. I'm going to take a sponge and I'm going to take this. This is so bad. I think this is really unsanitary. Okay. And I'm gonna... Is that cheating? Okay, so it's a little bit too much concealer. So that was way too much. Let's keep blending.
3 hours later.
Oh Lord, my rosacea is peeking through. Let's get it together. Okay, let's get it together because okay, so now that the concealer is done, okay, we're not gonna talk about it. Next, I'm gonna go in with some bronzer, okay? And this is gonna be tricky because I need to get some something. I need to fix that, okay? So, here goes nothing. Okay, so I'm gonna take a decent amount and barely tap it on. Hopefully that works. Not sure. Okay, now for the eyes, we're gonna be, bro, I look like a raccoon. Anyways, now for the eyes, we're gonna do something very, very simple. Very simple, okay? Because we can't do anything too drastic, it seems. Because the one dip is not for me. Not for me, obviously. So, I'm gonna take my Stila 518B Kitten Karma. I use it almost every single day of my life. And normally I just hit, well, it's one dip, so I guess I can use however much is on the brush. I should have realized that when I did the concealer. Yikes. Let's get a lot in there since we only have one dip. Okay. And I'm just gonna put it on the inside corners of my eye. Now, I'm gonna take a brush and blend it out. Shining, shiny. Okay, now the next thing I'm gonna do is eyelash curler. But how do you do one dip for this? You can't. So I'm just gonna boop boop and call it a day, okay? I guess that's technically 2 dips if you want to count it. But we're gonna break the rules because I need my stuff curly. Okay, so next I'm gonna take my Essence Lash Princess. And we're only gonna do one dip for both eyes. Lord, please guide me on this because... Alright, let's get a good one. Alright, so now that that is done, my last step, second to last step, I'm going to be putting on my Kiss lashes, Teddy lashes from Kiss. I'm going to be using them. I'm going to be using those on my eyes. And technically there's no one dip, but the glue, I'm going to say no extra squeezes, no none of that, okay? Let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to take my Duo glue and only use one squeeze across the whole lash. Alright, and I'm going to put those on and I'll be right back. And I'm back with my lashes on, okay? Now, for the final step, or second to last step, we're gonna put on some highlighter, okay? This is my favorite step, always. I'm just in love with highlighter. I love being shiny. Oh! We're blinding the camera, okay? So shiny. For the last step, we're gonna add some lip gloss. I forgot I was doing the one dip. I just used like 700 dips of highlighter. I'm so sorry. I suck. I think I have ADHD. I did not remember that I was doing that. What is wrong with me? Anyways, now we can use one dip of lip gloss. Oh no. Alright, and to finish everything up, we're gonna do one of setting spray. Alright. Oh, what is going on? Wow. Alright. So this is the finishing look. How are we thinking? What's up everyone, it's me from the future. I realized that the glue on my eyelash was like wilding out, and I fixed it. Just so everyone know, it was bothering me when I was watching the video, so I hope it wasn't bothering you too, okay? But anyways, I had to let everyone know I fixed it. Peace. What are we thinking about it? You think I did a good job? Besides the fact I failed with the highlight. The concealer's a little bit much. Yeah, I still look a little bit like a raccoon. But this is the finishing look. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below how you think I did. How did I do? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.